Modern replacement windows. Cedar Bayou TX improve comfort and curb appeal for homes across Cedar Bayou TX. Homeowners searching for window replacement. Cedar Bayou TX often want better insulation, quieter interiors, and a cleaner exterior look, and modern replacement windows. Cedar Bayou deliver all three. From replacement windows for homes to custom home windows, updated products are designed for long-term performance in Southeast Texas weather. A trusted Cedar Bayou TX window replacement company can recommend styles that match ranch homes, traditional properties, and updated residences throughout Baytown and Cedar Bayou window replacement service areas. Energy-efficient windows. Cedar Bayou help lower utility bills while making indoor temperatures more consistent year-round. Cedar Bayou TX Energy Star windows, insulated window replacement. Cedar Bayou and energy-saving window replacement. Cedar Bayou Texas are popular options for homeowners dealing with heat, humidity, and direct sun exposure. Drafty window replacement. Cedar Bayou TX is especially valuable in older homes where air leaks raise cooling costs. Cedar Bayou TX insulated glass windows and double pane window replacement. Cedar Bayou creates stronger thermal performance, helping families enjoy a more comfortable home in Cedar Bayou TX without overworking the HVAC system. Residential window replacement. Cedar Bayou TX is a smart investment for both older properties and newer homes needing upgrades. House window upgrades. Cedar Bayou can include window frame replacement. Cedar Bayou TX, old window removal. Cedar Bayou TX, and new window installation. Cedar Bayou for a complete transformation. Whether the project involves one damaged opening or a full home renovation, residential window contractors. Cedar Bayou Texas can inspect the condition of frames, glass, seals, and hardware. For homeowners comparing window replacement estimates, professional guidance helps identify practical solutions that fit style goals and budget expectations. Vinyl window replacement. Cedar Bayou TX is one of the most requested services because it combines value, durability, and low maintenance. Vinyl windows. Baytown TX resist moisture, warping, and peeling, making them well suited for the local climate in Cedar Bayou TX. Affordable window replacement. Cedar Bayou often starts with vinyl products because they offer strong energy performance without the higher price of some specialty materials. When homeowners search for affordable windows near Cedar Bayou TX or best replacement windows. Cedar Bayou TX, vinyl options frequently stand out for dependable performance and clean, modern design. Custom window replacement. Cedar Bayou TX allows homeowners to match architectural details while improving efficiency and function. Cedar Bayou TX custom home windows are ideal for unique openings, expanded living areas, remodeled facades, and homes with non-standard dimensions. Picture window replacement. Cedar Bayou TX can bring in more natural light, while casement window installation. Cedar Bayou TX offers ventilation and a streamlined look. Sliding window replacement. Cedar Bayou Texas and double-hung window replacement. Cedar Bayou TX are also popular choices for balancing style and everyday usability in Cedar Bayou neighborhoods near Baytown TX. Window replacement for older homes. Cedar Bayou TX requires attention to structural details, insulation gaps, and frame condition. Many older houses in Cedar Bayou benefit from window frame replacement, double pane window replacement. Cedar Bayou, and insulated glass improvements that modernize the home without losing character. Drafty window replacement. Cedar Bayou TX is common in aging properties where original windows no longer seal properly. Baytown TX area window replacement specialists can recommend replacement windows for homes. Cedar Bayou that maintain the look of the house while bringing performance up to current expectations. Local window installers. Cedar Bayou provide the advantage of area knowledge, responsive scheduling, and familiarity with neighborhood housing styles. Homeowners looking for window replacement. Cedar Bayou TX or window installers in Cedar Bayou, Texas often prefer experienced teams that understand local weather demands and regional construction patterns. Local Cedar Bayou, Texas window experts can explain product differences, code considerations, and installation methods that support long-term performance. A replacement window company in Cedar Bayou TX should also offer clear timelines, dependable workmanship, and honest window replacement. Quotes Cedar Bayou, Texas.